welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do like a very tiny small mukbang because your girl is already overweight, so I do not need to get more than one meal on the menu. So I got Chick-fil-A. I'm on my lunch break. I'm just hanging out in my car. I got 30 more minutes, so I was like, might as well film a video. My camera's charged, so this is a perfect opportunity. This was like my first legit mukbang. I feel like every time I go to film one, my camera's either dead or I don't even say anything because I'm too much into the food I'm eating that I don't even say anything. If that makes sense. Excuse my ugly face right now. I didn't get ready for work this morning. I just put some clothes on. My hair looks crazy. I was very tired. My mom's birthday's today, but yesterday I went over to her house to like hang out with her, you know, because I don't know why. So I went to go hang out with her last night. Didn't get home until 10:30. Probably didn't fall asleep till 11, and I had to be up at 6 o'clock. So yeah, that was my night. Anyways, I decided to film a mukbang. But before we get into it, I wanted to tell you a quick story about Chick-fil-A and the Chick-fil-A I visited. Like the Chick-fil-A I just bought this food from is what I'm about to tell you happened, if that even makes sense. So basically what happened is I was on my lunch break, same scenario that's happening right now. I was about to eat the same meal I'm about to eat right now, and this girl comes up to me and says, like she's like knocking on my window. I'm not parked over by Chick-fil-A, just in case I see her again. It's not gonna be pretty. Thank God. I should have my camera out that one time. Anyways, so I get my food, I'm chilling, about to dig into my meal, and then she knocks on my window and is like, can you go inside and get me food? I was like, no, like I just spent my money on my food, like I'm not gonna buy you food, you know, because I don't trust people like that, and I should have followed my gut feeling. And she's like, please, I'm hungry, I have kids, blah blah blah. And I was like, oh my God, like what? I was like, instantly I thought of Madison, and I was like, oh my God, I would want someone to buy me food, you know? And I was like, look, I haven't touched my food yet, you could have this. And she's like, no, go inside and buy me food. I was like, I am not gonna go inside and buy you food. If you're hungry, you will eat what I ordered off the menu. You're not gonna make me go inside and get you food, you know? And then after she's like, okay, I'll take the food. So I gave her my meal, and I was on my lunch break, and I was starving that day. I give her my food, and I was like, damn, I like was so sad about it, and I wasn't gonna go back into line and buy another meal, you know. It's like I could wait till dinner time, you know, it's not that important. So then I like turn her, like as I'm pulling out, I see that she's with another, like with the boy, you know. I was like, oh, maybe that's her kid, but he has two, like not even a paper bag, like those plastic bags, like the Chick-fil-A plastic bags, like when you order more than one thing, they give you like an actual bag, you know. He has two of them in his hand like this, carrying them like this, and then she has the meal I gave her, and they're like laughing. Like I was like, why are they laughing? Like they don't look like depressed or anything or sad. Like if I was starving, I'd sit right there and eat my food real quick. I wouldn't, like, you know, go walk off. So I was like, why is she laughing too? I was like, what the heck? Like, are they playing some sick joke? So then I wait a little bit to like drive off, and then I see them where they parked, you know. I was like, let me see where they go. So they go to their van. So let me show you where they go. Hold on. It won't let me. So anyways, they went to another parking lot. It's like a huge like shopping center, as you can see in the background. It's big. So they go to Dick's Sporting Goods parking lot, and then I'm like, oh heck no, like I've seen them get into a car. And then I go and I follow over to where they were, and then they were out of the car again, and they were all just like laughing, talking with their parents, having the time of their life, you know. And like their parents were in a van, like sitting in the passenger and driver's seat, and with the windows rolled down, and the girl, she was like a teenager with her brother, who was like maybe 10 years old, were like just hanging out, laughing, eating in the parking lot, you know, like not looking, like they looked like so, like I was so mad only because I'm like, one, you're not homeless, like you're not just like homeless, like if I was eating and all that stuff, like I wouldn't be like, you know, like how happy they looked like they lived a normal life, you know, like they were just like, they had like, their parents were in like nice clothes, like they all looked like average normal people. And I rolled my window down and I was like, so you just made me give you my lunch with my hard-earned money. And I told her this. I was like, you just made me give you my lunch with my hard-earned money. One, you don't even have kids. Two, your parents are sitting right there laughing and stuff, and you guys think this is some joke. And she's like, I do have kids. I'm pregnant. And I was like, you're not pregnant. I was like, I know you're not pregnant. I was like, don't lie. I was like, I already caught you in the in your act, you know. And then she's like, I was like, what you need to do is get a fucking, excuse my language. I was like, you need to get an effing job and go work and buy your own freaking food, and your parents too, instead of being lazy AF and stealing people's hard-earned money and making them buy you food because you're too lazy to either one, go get a job, or too cheap and you don't want to buy your food, so you're gonna make everybody else buy it for you. And then after, she's like, oh, I don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah, blah. And she grabbed her brother by the sweater. I'm going to insert the picture, like, right here so you guys could see it. Or, like, right here. Somewhere along this so you guys could see, like, kind of, like, what I'm talking about when she was pulling her brother away. And they got into the van and drove off so fast. So, I haven't been to this Chick-fil-A since. But anyways, time to eat. I got some waffle fries, you know. Ranch, because you know your girl loves ranch. I say ranch so weird, I'm like ranch. And then I always get the same thing from Chick-fil-A. Every time I get something different, I end up disappointed. And then of course a spicy deluxe sandwich with pepper jack cheese. So let's eat this bad boy. Good as usual. Delicious. Wow. I haven't really been eating fast food lately, and I haven't had Chick-fil-A in quite some time. So I'm really happy that I got this. I'm gonna put some ranch on my, hold on. Put some ranch on my sandwich. Oh God, Jesus. Oh my God, guys. So me and Josh were gonna film a mukbang the other day with Kane's chicken or whatever, chicken sandwiches. Oh my God, that just got everywhere. And as we're filming it, my camera dies. I was so mad. I was like, dang it, because we were like, I don't know, it was a really good move. It would have been a really good mukbang. I love Chick-fil-A, like, oh my God. I'm like never disappointed. I feel like it's like I've never had a problem with Chick-fil-A. But anyways, yeah, I was so mad because about like that whole fast food situation. I was like, oh my God. Like, I even posted their pictures on Facebook and I tagged the Chick-fil-A in it, the one that I got it from. Do any of you guys dip your fries in ranch? Because I always do. I always have to. It's just so good. So good. have a napkin. One of what drives me crazy when people who do mukbangs all the time, like Steph Papas. If you guys haven't watched her channel, you guys should. Like, she seems genuinely like nice and sweet, you know, and she's really pretty. Anyways, she does mukbangs all the time, and I'm like, how has this girl not gained any weight? Like, and she does them a lot, and I'm like, so, like, girl, let me know your tricks, because if I knew like how to eat a bunch of fast food and not gain weight, like, I want to know like what she does. Like, I'm serious. She has, like, if you look from her like time, like her from when she first started doing them till now, like, she's never gained like a lot of weight. Like, she looks the same. Their fries are so good. I like love Chick-fil-A. I've said it like 5 times. Like, I've never had one bad experience with them, like, ever. Like, they're always so nice. My food always comes out perfect. Like, never have I had a bad experience with them. So good. I'm almost done, guys. I've like ate this so fast. What do you guys think I should like try from Chick-fil-A next? Like, what is your, like, what do you like from them? I also like their chicken wraps. Those are really good too. I just feel like they put way too much lettuce in them and barely any chicken. Guys, I actually used to work at McDonald's. I mean, not McDonald's, Taco Bell. And I loved it. I'm done. I'm just eating my fries. Oh, geez. I should probably go. Alright, guys. That is it for my mukbang. I am so full, ready to take a nap. Too bad I have 2 more hours until my day's over. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I'm 200 subscribers away from 400 subs. So make sure you subscribe. I will see you next time.